Locksmith in Hollywood, 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 Florida is a professional licensed service providing solutions for the residents and businesses of Hollywood for over 20 years. We specialize in fast 24-hour emergency service as well as non-emergency solutions by appointment. Hollywood is home to 5-star services, hotels, spas, luxury living. Wonder if the Beverly Hillbillies live there. At Locksmith in Hollywood, our goal is providing 5-star service as befits the community. Knock on wood. Our customer service representatives, operators, and technicians are constantly retrained to provide the level of service that a community like ours demands, counts on, expects, and won't settle for any less. So call us at 786-319-4591.